Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install Google Chrome on Arch Linux quickly and easily. If you're an Arch user, you probably already know that Google Chrome isn't available in the official Arch repositories. But don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's dive in. First, let's make sure your system is up to date. Open your terminal and run this command. Google Chrome isn't available in the official Arch Linux repositories, so we'll need to add it manually. We'll use the AUR Arch User repository for this. If you don't have an AUR helper installed, I recommend using Yay. Let's install Yay first. This command is used to clone the Yay repository from the Arch User repository AUR to your local machine. Running this command will create a new directory named Yay in your current working directory. Inside this directory, you'll find all the files from the Yay AUR repository, including the pkg build file, which is used to build and install Yay. After cloning the repository, you would navigate into the Yay directory and use the makepkg command to build and install Yay. Now that Yay is installed, you can safely exit the Yay directory and remove it. It's no longer needed, and deleting it will free up space on your system. Now that we have Yay installed, let's install Google Chrome. Simply type this command. And that's it. You've successfully installed Google Chrome on Arch Linux. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Linux tutorials. Also, let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.